Alright, so let us unbox. So this is Olsenmark Air Fryer. Switch on happiness. This is actually a gift from my cousin and a friend. She is in Qatar and she found out that I didn't have an air fryer, so I don't have an air fryer. So she said that she is going to buy me one. So, hindi ko naman akalain totohanin yun eh. Nakakala ko talaga yon. So, we are going to unbox. And, voila! This is fresh from Qatar. This has just arrived last night. Sabi nila, naka-box lang to. Naka-pagahe lang to. Putik sa air fryer. Kawin na. Nagbigay nito. Nasa Qatar pa rin. Ganon. Tapos, yan. Helping me. Ayan. Tada! Ayan siya. So, pamahalin natin to kasi bago pa siya. Medyo. So, ayan siya. I think this is 1,400 watts. Okay. So, ayan. 1,400. Ayan, 1,400 watts. So, 20 to 240. So, pwede talaga sa Philippines. But, I don't know if this brand is out in the Philippine market. But, I don't know. So, mura lang dala yung mga air fryer doon. Puti lang. Char. So, ayan. Ayan. So, yeah. Way to healthy living. And, pa-shoutout sa nagbigay nito. Yang, thank you very much. You don't know how much this means to me and to the kids. So, I can feed more healthy food to my children. Kasi mahilig sila sa katsu. So, ayan. Yes, buksan. Pwede daw bang buksan? May may bumubulong dito.
I-ano mo to. Tangkalin mo kasi.
Tatanggalin ba?
Oo. Hindi fully tangkal.
O, ayan. Tapos,
Ate po.
paano ba to? Ang mga walang alam.
Napukas lang yan. Tatay.
Tapos,
Yan.
pin pala. So, ayan. Anong meron sa kanya? So, ayan pala siya. Dito pala ilalagay. Tapos, ayan. Pardon the mess. So, hindi tayo dyan, mga birds. Dahil, ano siya. Okay. Hindi naman yata yan ganyan, be. Halata talaga na wala akong ganito. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin.
Ito.
Okay, so anyway, ayan yung features niya. Wow, ang ganda kasi fries, and then ito,
Ito.
shrimp, chicken, barbecue. Ito, hindi ko to alam kung ano siya. Pero yun na yun.
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Yes.
Pagtakip.
Tapos, sadly, ito lang. Ito, so, you can need
Pagtakip
yung
to.
puti na ano. Yan lang, mga mare.
Yes.